Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Yes, I am back again. It's been so long, it's been months. Alright, I know. I have school for the past in May, but I finished school and I know what you're going to say. Why you didn't make videos like in the beginning of June? Because I have stuff to do at home and my personal stuff. Okay, because I can and I was trying to do stuff like for example this computer right here that I have to record. The next year I can now use this computer to work again and making tier list videos instead of my phone. Which I'm happy about it. And yes. And yes, I'm making a tier list since my last tier list was doing so well or long overdue of puberty. But it's starting to get good, so I decided to do um Pokemon tier list. The reason why I can do King of Fighters tier list is because I'm trying to find the 1995 tier list. I couldn't find it, so I'm pretty sure that it's been deleted or long gone over soon. But with that out of the way, we could do a Pokemon tier list for all of y'all. But before we might do that, make sure to like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below of your opinion of which Pokemon is the best. In my personal. And it's gonna be my opinion. My opinion. So it's gonna be people. You might arguing with me if y'all will participate in it. But without the way, let's get to it. Yes. So Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. I'm not a big fan of Bulbasaur, so I'm gonna put it in C tier. Including Ivysaur. Ivysaur is in C tier. Yep, C tier. And I don't, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of Venusaur's design of Gigantamax Venusaur, especially the original one. But the Mega Evolution of Venusaur, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Charmander as well, including Charmeleon. I can't stop thinking about Gigantamax Charizard because of y'all, including Charizard X. I'm not putting in S because it's not my favorite. This one will belong into no, no, it's in C. This Charizard is gonna put it in B. B. Thank you. So, Squirtle. Personally, it's my favorite. Alright? It's my favorite. You can't deny that. You cannot deny it. Alright? You cannot deny it. Alright? War Turtle. It kind of kills it when it has the ears problems that you can see in my mouse. So, yeah. My key mouse, alright? Blastoise, it's alright as well. But Blastoise is boss, including the Mega Blastoise. These two are fantastic. Caterpie, it's bad, as well as Metapod and Caterpie, Gigantamax Caterpie, and then that Caterpie will belong to D. Especially Weedle and Kakuna. They're garbage. Except for Beedrill, and except for Mega Beedrill, and then C. It's not just because of that whatever you call it. It's just that I don't like I don't mind about it. Pidgey, it's in C. Pidgeotto, C as well. Pidgeot is in B, including Mega Pidgeot. What am I supposed to say? What am I supposed to say, huh? Rattata and Raticate, including all the lower forms, are garbage. Alright? So, Fearow, it's gotta be in D. Especially, no, wait, Spearow and Fearow, alright, thank you. Against, right here in C, or Buck. I'm gonna skip all the Pikachus except for that. I don't know why I don't know why they put it. And let's put Max Pikachu B and get the regional one. It's in B. Raichu. It belongs to the Alola ones belongs to C, and that right? No, right that no the original Raichu is in A, and the Alola Raichu is in B. Sandshrew A tier. Sandslash, including his Alola form, S tier. I don't care. Y'all can lay yelling at me wherever you want. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. So, Niran, eh. Nidorina, Nidorina, and what the hell? Uh-huh. Nino Queen is in. This one's definitely an A. It's the same thing, alright? Neo King and Neo Queen are the same thing, but different genders. Clefable, trash. Except for these Vulpix and Ninetales. Well, I'm just gonna play and see, cause much, nothing much happened. But I want to play Ninetales and B. Lolo one is in A. I like that design. I'm not a goddamn furry. Alright, so Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff and Wigglytuff are garbage. Okay? Really? Zubat as well. Including Golbat. Golbat disgusting. Oddish as well. Gloom as well. Vileplume, I'll take it as a slide. Frickin' Paris? Hell no. Including that one. It's an F. Venomoth as well. Diglett, just Diglett with hair and the color. Dig. This one will go in B. And that one Dugtrio. This one that a little Dugtrio is in D because the hair, and this one is in B. This Meowth is so awful to me, including that one. This Gigantamax Meowth is going to C, including that Meowth. This Meowth sucks. This Meowth is fine. Cyanine is fine. Psyduck's fine. Golduck as well. Mankey B tier. Primeape. It's the A tier. It's definitely the A tier. Oh, here we go. Growlithe. It's a total S tier for me. It's my favorite, okay? It's my favorite, alright? Let's see. And Arcanine. This Hisuian Arcanine is not better than my original Growlithe, but it's going to A. Including that one. But that original Arcanine, woo-wee, is going to be in the S tier. S tier, 100%. 100% S tier. Okay. Poliwag is in C. All the party worlds, um, they're in S. It's just that they're not that bad. It's just they're like the same thing. Abra is just someone he's sleeping. You can Kadabra. Shoot, and then put in the. I was supposed to put him in C. Mega Alakazam A. And the original Alakazam, it's in B. Matchup. So matchup, right here, right here. Machoke. B. Including this Gigantamax one. And Machamp, I think I gotta go with B tier. Yeah, just B tier. There's pure B tier. Period. Alright? Do I really have to say this? Do I really have to say about Bellsprout and Weeping Bell and Victory Bell? No. Tentacruel, it's cool and all, but I'm just gonna put in C as well as Tentacruel. Yeah. Um, Alola Geodude is going to be in B. They're killing the original. No, the original is going to C. And this one's such a whack. Golem, it's in B. Including the original one, it's in B. Alright, Rapidash. The Galarian Rapidash. Yeah, it's this is definitely going into B tier. Yeah, B tier. I was about to put an A, but I thought about it, so it's B tier. The original Ponyta. It's in C. It's fine, including these two right here. The original and the Galar one. Speaking of Galar, Slowpoke. I'm just gonna put it in this one because it doesn't do nothing except for that one. You cannot beat the original. This one, this one looks fire. He's poison and with a gun. That's kind of cool. Um, this Mega Slowbo is disappointing. This one is just fine. This one's just fine, so I'm just gonna put in C. Magnemite, C. Magneton as well. This Galarian Farfetch, yes, yeah, C. The original Farfetch was disappointing. Dog Trio as well. Doduo, sorry. And Dog Trio is in C. Seal. Look, look, look. I might put it Seal in B. But I will put Dudong in A. I don't care. I don't care. Come after me, you little bitch. Alright. Grimer, disappointing. I'm feeling that one. Muck. Yeah, it's pretty annoying, so yeah. Shelter in B. But no, not F. It's in B. Including Coister. Which I like this Pokemon, so B. Ghastly. It's in S. Haunter. I'm gonna put it in B. Gigantamax Gengar? I'm gonna say it's A tier. Let's see. Gengar. Mega Gengar. A tier. Including the original Gengar, A tier. Like, I like the Gengars, alright, but it's not a personal favorite. Okay? So, Onyx. Let's see. Drowsy. And Hypno? Out. Krabby is in B, D, including this Gigantamax Kingler because I'm not a big fan of the mustache situation like Santa Claus, like ho ho ho. Like no, this is ridiculous. It's not Christmas, bro. No. The Galarian Happy Voltorb. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it in B. And the original Voltorb, C. This angry Electrode Hisuian in B. Just like the original Electrode is in C. Alright? Executor. Disappointing. No, Execute. Disappointing. Executor. This thing is tall. And the original Executor, including B. Cubone. You gotta respect my boy, bro. This man, this man is in A tier. Is in A tier, as well as the Marowak. Alright? But the Alola form of Marowak, yeah, it's going the same thing as well. Hitmonlee, definitely an A tier. Definitely an A tier Pokemon. But Hitmonchan cannot be Hitmonlee. Bro. You can't. Out. Get out. Get out! Right. Coughing. This wheezing, it's not that bad. But this wheezing, ugh, I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. So, oh, Rhyhorn. Rhyhorn is okay, but isn't me. I couldn't ride on. Ride on, boom. Alright. Chansey. I'm gonna put it in C. C. Tangela, D. This Mega Kangaskhan is just it's just original Kangaskhan, but the baby is fighting on her mother's side, including the original one. Corsi is going to C tier, especially Cedra. Goldeen, what a freaking disappointing Pokemon. I'm just gonna put it in D, because he's not the worst, but it's just disappointing. Story, Staryu, B. Stormy, it's going to be in the B tier. So, Galarian Mr. Mime. This Pokemon is one of the worst Pokemon of all time. Alright? Good. So, Scyther. I like Scyther, okay? So I'm just gonna put it in B tier. Fuck you. Alright, Electabuzz. I'm just gonna put in B. Magmar, not a big fan, even though I have a shiny in Pokemon Go. I can't even access this anymore. Oh, oh wait, hold on. I got something special from my a friend that he has a last name just like this thing. Pinsir, you're going in the seats here. As well, your mega form. Hey, friend. Hey, dude. Are you watching this? I'm sorry. All right. Let's see. Paldea Taurus. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in C. Me either. I don't know. Okay. So the this Taurus, the Fire Taurus, will be in C tier, as well as this Taurus, the original one. Including the other original Taurus, right? Because I'm not a big deal of it. Magikarp, disappointing. But the Mega Gyarados, it's going to be, bro. Let's see. The original Gyarados will be on A tier. Yeah, A tier. So, Lapras will be in C. I'm not complaining. And the original Lapras, it's going to be in B tier. All right, so Ditto, disappointing. Eevee, weird. No, Gigantamax Eevee is weird, but this Eevee is kind of cute. This one's cute, so I'm gonna put it in A tier. It doesn't deserve it because y'all freaks. Alright, so Jolteon will be in the A tier. Flareon is going to be C. Just C. Porygon just a disappointing one. Can we talk about Porygon for a second? Because Porygon is only capable of evolving some upgrades of this stuff, and it's gonna be annoying to do that. So Ammonite, the Bomb will be in the C. Including Kabuto and Kabutops. Because I'm not a big fan of it, but they're okay to me, okay? But they're just kind of weird. It, this Mega Argonite is worse. Is the worst. It's just Argonite but spikes. Just spikes. But Argonite, but the original one could be in the C. Alright. Gigantamax Snorlax will be in B tier. But the original Snorlax will be in in the A tier. That's an A tier. The Galarian Kuno. This one's the pretty difficult one to do after I played Pokemon Sword and Shield back in the day. So I'm putting in there. This one, I'm just gonna put in C. This one, I gotta put it in A. I'm just gonna put it in A because I like that design. And he could fast. He could go faster. So Zapdos it's the same. Like I said, these three original Regenerator Birds will be in C. This one, I'll never forget what you did to me. I'll never forget, so I'm just gonna put it in B tier. Alright, Moltres. It's going to be in C tier. Okay, alright? I just said that. Dratini, D. Just D. Dragonair. I'm just gonna put it in C tier. Dragonite will have to be in the A tier. Oh, alright. He's cool. And he's kind of powerful because he's pursuing legendary. This Mega Mewtwo, I'm gonna put it in B. But this one's gonna be in D. There's like, why would they put it until inside the head like it's a butt? Okay, okay, the original Mewtwo will be in B as well. Last but not least, for the Kanto Pokemon, Mew will have to be in B tier. That was all for today. That's all the tier list videos that I did. All right, it was a tough choice for me. Yeah, I think that's all for today. I'm glad to be back making this. Hope this thing will be cool. It will be really better. If this thing doing really well, I will do a Johto tier list. All right, how about that? So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Lighting out!